Curtis and I have just come back from watching the new road being blasted. They've been, you know, dynamiting all this, what do they call it, slate, and it's pretty big, you know. Anyway, we got a nice bird's eye view of it, and so once that was finished, we came back and downloaded his stuff off his camera. And when I was downloading it, I spied in his files some Rupert videos. Indeed, I didn't realise that Curtis was filming us and filming Rupert when he was little tiny thing. And so I've put them together, and I hope you enjoy, because I know a lot of people like watching this raccoon. And he's ever so cute, because it's the first bit was when he was just a few weeks old actually. So anyway, I think you'll all enjoy that. So thank you, Curtis. Nice to find that. That was a little bit of treasure. Enjoy. Look at that, you've got fucking milk everywhere. Come on, it's not a game. What are you doing? What do you want? You don't want your picture taken? Oh, come on, you're gonna fall. Here, come on. Come on. Do it properly. Look, you're spilling it all.
Come on. Bad idea.
Hey, Robbie, you're just not happy with this interior quality, right? Honestly, wow. Wooden deck. Why don't you just put a freaking flat piece of steel or something?
Because everything slips all over the fucking place.
I know. See, these ones are no good. I'm going to throw these on the ground here. No, that one's no good. We'll get rid of that. No, those are no good either. Here, I'll take you out one. I better go check to see if they went in properly.
Oh, you're going down to check.
Yeah, no, I'm checking. You're not putting them in well.
Look, what the fuck do you know about screws?
No, man.
You know nothing.
I'm inspecting.
You know nothing, here. Hang on to that. Hold on to there.
Well, what the fuck, man? I'm going up. Yeah, no, this is good up here, man.
Now these lights,
those aren't pointed properly. I'll readjust them.
I'll bite through the cable.
Oh. Yeah, that's a bit of water on there.
You know, it's not bothered about noise or
Well, it's
water?
accustomed to it.
Let me try the small one again. Rupert, where did you put my extensions?
No, man, I'll show you. No, it's in
this
this box
box.
right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
there's-
It's in the box, man.
And I
No,
wonder,
no, no,
I
no,
wonder
no.
myself why stuff
No,
is
no,
missing.
no, no. Fuck that, man. I know it's in the box, man.
Here you go.
Don't
It's
tell
a
me
small
any
one.
different.
These sockets aren't in here right either. Get them out.
No, that's gotta go. That's no. That's the 18's where the 19's supposed to be. That's gotta go.
Small.
It's unbelievable. It's like finds interest in anything. Better his tools than yours. Knocking them all off. Spreading them around. Crap. Oh, you could take a big shit right in that thing.
Maybe you can just jam it with that. And turn the other one.
No, these aren't sorted properly.